if you guys want to learn how to get Fortnite.dev and unlock all these skins and cosmetics like I'm showcasing right now, make sure to watch the full entire video because I can literally change my skin, my emote, basically anything through this website. It's pretty cool, guys. You guys don't want to miss out, so make sure to watch the full entire video. Also, if you guys are new, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tutorials like this. I'm trying to upload at least 3 videos a day for you guys because these tutorials actually do update very often. So I want to make sure I get them updated for you guys because I know you guys enjoy them and I enjoy making them. So yeah, as you can see, I'm running the aerial assault trooper, but let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so if you guys are already in Fortnite, just exit out of there. And then you guys want to go into the link of the description, which is going to be a recognized link, a bit.ly link basically. And then this is going to redirect you to the recognized link. So what you guys want to do is go through this process. It's pretty simple. You guys just want to subscribe to myself and subscribe to my friend. Once you guys have done this, it's basically going to unlock the link. So yeah, once you guys have done that, you guys can proceed with these steps. Also, while you guys are doing that process, may as well turn on notifications if this works for you. If it doesn't work for you, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to assist you. So just wait around 5 to 10 seconds and wait for it to unlock the link. And also do read that message above it. And then from here, guys, you just want to press I'm not a robot. And then you guys want to scroll down, press free access with ads, discover interesting articles, right around 5 to 10 seconds, and then close this out. If you guys have premium, you guys can just skip these, but most of you guys probably don't, so you guys just want to go through the free access part. It's pretty simple, so you guys just want to continue to Fortnite.dev, and then once you guys are here, you guys want to go and download Fortnite.dev. This is where it gets a little bit confusing, so make sure to watch closely. So you guys want to click on the download, and then it's going to run as an administrator. That's why my screen's black. And then you guys want to press next, and you guys want to press skip on and press open. Make sure to decline those offers because it's just a promotion, so you guys can decline those. And then it's going to take you to my Beacons AI link right here. From here, you guys just want to go onto the RexFN. Most of my tutorials are usually based on RexFN and StormDev. So yeah, for this specific tutorial, we're going to go on RexFN. So you guys want to go to the rules and actually react and make sure you are verified. Also, I'm sorry if my mic is a little bit bad on the quality version. I know my videos are usually quality, but I haven't really had the time to edit and actually have a good mic. I'm using my phone mic right now. I'm actually on vacation, so I've been really busy, but I still want to upload for you guys. So yeah, you guys want to go onto the anywhere, all platforms on the how to use. Basically what this means is that you guys can install this on mobile, console, basically any device. It's pretty sick. So yeah, you guys want to go into the link for test process. It's going to be another link for test process. There's going to be about one more after this, and then once you guys have done that, it's definitely worth it though. So you guys want to do the same process that you did earlier with me. So you guys want to go discover interesting topics, close it out, and download the Fortnite.dev. Once you guys have done this, make sure to download the website and press save. Click on the download and just go through the same process that you did earlier. So just run it as an administrator and then do the same process. Next, decline those offers, and then you will take you to the RexFN website. That was actually the last thing for test, I'm pretty sure, unless it asked for an authorization code. For me specifically, it didn't ask for an authorization code, but for some of you guys, it's going to ask for a code, so please don't leave a comment saying where's the authorization code. It's in the Discord, so yeah. But like I said, if you need any help, make sure to leave a comment below. So you guys want to go in the username to add and actually copy that username, and then launch up Fortnite. What we're basically going to do is we're just going to launch Fortnite and add a username. Now you guys may be saying, well, this is technically just a lollybot, right? Well, it's technically more than a lollybot, because with a lollybot, you can't really control what the skin wears, and you can see yourself in the lobby. With this lollybot specifically, you guys can control what it wears. You guys wear unreleased skins, and you guys can even change the level, and you guys can join your friends with this. And when you guys load in, it just shows yourself. It doesn't actually show the lollybot. So that's why we call it a Fortnite.dev. So yeah, we're at default on my main account, but if we go and add the lollybot, we can actually join this party, and then it's going to take away my skin and actually replace it with the lollybot skin. So yeah, you guys want to join the party, and then it's going to replace it with the skin, as you guys can see. And then you guys can basically replace any cosmetic. You guys can do back blings, pickaxes, emotes. You guys can do emotes, which is crazy. And there's also a new items with this, guys. You guys can basically wear unreleased skins that are going to be released soon or have been released recently. You guys can even do emotes. For example, you can do the Allier emote really quick right there. But yeah, we can even do no backlinks. And yeah, there's a bunch of options. You guys can play around with this. I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on how to get unreleased skins with this. So yeah. If you guys do figure that out, make sure to help some people in the comments. But yeah, we can't equip OG style skins, which is kind of unfortunate. So yeah, we're just gonna equip the regular gold trooper. You can't equip the purple gold trooper or the pink gold trooper, but we do have access to every single other skin, like the aerial star trooper, renegade raider, etc. We can even wear the exclusives like Wonder, Honor Guard. But yeah, you guys can definitely play around with this, which is pretty cool. You guys can even do, like I said, backlinks. This is the new items tab, which has been it's updated very often. So you guys can basically wear unreleased skins that are going to be coming out in the future, or skins that have been released in the recent updates. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of cool skins, and if you guys want me to showcase you unreleased skins that are going to be released in the future, please make sure to comment that down below, because if you guys comment W down below in this video, I'm actually going to be making videos on unreleased skins. So if you guys want me to do videos like that, please comment W. And yeah, but yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. We arrived with the Sparkle Specialist. So yeah, also sorry if my mic was a little bad. Like I said, I'm on vacation, and the quality of my videos aren't going to be the best. But yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully this tutorial worked for you. If it didn't, that's okay. Leave a comment down below and I will help you. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out.